What do you think, Quentin? Open another present, sweetie
I don't know, but
pie.
they're pretty heavy.
They're heavy.
What do you think? Huh? What are you thinking?
One's Billy's and one is Jacob's.
You got puzzles, didn't you?
It's the same thing. So.
This is Billy.
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 Give it to Billy.
Oh,
Can you give it to Billy?
that's heavy. God, I don't know. It's a rock or something.
Can you here?
No,
Can you
one's
give it to
the-
Billy?
yours.
I think it's Billy's.
Little ham.
That's Quentin.
Say hey, Quentin.
Quentin, open your boxes.
He's not doing it.
See, I'd rather play with Grandma.